Morning, welcome. This is Neco year 2019 English Objective Past question. Question number 16. And the instruction here says complete each of the following sentences with the most appropriate of the options lettered A to E. We are using this instruction to answer question 11 to 20. And question number 16 says the dash is to be reviewed by the legislature. The dash is to be reviewed by the legislature. Option A, Constitution. Option B, Decree. Option C, Edit. Option D, Law. Option E, Ordinance. Now I want to talk of option E, which is Ordinance. Ordinance is the same as custom or norms of the people. Norms of the people of the people. So legislature cannot actually review what we call ordinance or norms, or because it is part of the culture of the people. Then when we talk of law, law is principles that gov the people of a country. That is law. Then edit is a law made by a military governor is called edit. Then decree is a law made by a military head of state. Then constitution is the document that contains all the laws of a state. So the legislature or legislative arm of government can only review the constitution. So it is better say that the constitution is to be reviewed by the legislature. So option A is correct. Thank you and God bless you. Ensure you subscribe for more of our videos.